Welcome back. In today's video we are cleaning out the cattle shed and hauling the dung up to one of our fields to be spread on the land before we plough it in February. So we're doing this with our Case Maxxum 150. We've got the Ken Wooten trailer on the back with the sawdust sides on it, just because my dad was out and he got 2 loads of sawdust there last week, so we said we may as well leave the sides on and not bother taking them off, just to put them back on again this week. So that's why they're on it. I kind of would rather the sides not on it and just have the little trailer, but what can you do? So the shed is being cleaned out, or was cleaned out by our JCB TM320. I did a video very similar to this last year with our old John Deere 6620, so if you want to go and watch that, I'll leave it at the end of this video. But yeah, got on quite well. It is ground's a bit sticky, a bit greasy. Conditions aren't ideal, but we want the dung out of the yard and not sitting under cows, so that's what we have done. And if you're enjoying today's video, don't forget to give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. We've been getting on quite well over the past kind of 6 weeks with a lot of new subscribers, so it's quite nice. And I've plenty of videos on the channel for any new subscribers if you want to go back. There's maybe a few good ones in it. And there's an interesting video coming up where we brought this tractor, the Case Maxxum 150, down to Cooney Furlong where we bought it out of, and we got it put on a dyno because we didn't think it had the power that it should. But you'll see the result. And we had a bit of a walk around, looked at a few mowers. Should hopefully be getting a demo of one, but we'll need another few to compare them against, so if anyone wants to send us out a mower, we'll gladly take it. And then we're looking at a few Gowl balers down there and Vaderstad packers. There was one ripper with an air seeder on it, a cultivator, and that's about it. And I got the second beacon for this tractor as well. Some of you might notice that in the drone footage.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. You
So that's about all the talking I will do in today's video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.